everyone, this is Parveen and today we are going to learn class 9 history chapter 1 French Revolution. In our last videos we have seen that there are certain social and economic causes due to which French people started with the revolution. We have seen that there is social inequality and there was an economic exploitation in France. In France, society has been divided into 3 states. 2 states, first and second state is getting all the rights and privileges, and third state is having all the burden of tax. We have also seen that economically France is facing subsistence crisis, which means that people are not getting their livelihood because of the increasing number of population, increasing number of food grain, demand for food grains, supply is less, wages remains constant, which increases the prices of the food grain. Now due to which people are facing certain problems. Then we have seen the outbreak of revolution, from where and how the French Revolution has started, that we have seen in our last video. In our last video we have seen that there is an outbreak of the revolution on 5th May 1789. As we have seen in our last video, King Monarch does not have an alone right to increase the increase the tax plan or increase the taxes on people. There was a state assembly. King needs to take advice from the state assembly whenever he makes any taxation plan for the country. So on 5th May 1789, King called a meeting and all the 3 states representatives are there. 300 members from first and second state and 600 members from third state. Each state is having one voting right. So third state people, they demanded, a representative of third states who are there in the meeting, they demanded that there should be one vote for one individual, but King rejected. Because of which on 20th June, people of third state they gathered together in tennis court of Versailles and they started with the revolution. And on 4th August 1789, there was an drafting of, or there was a starting of National Assembly in France, which is made by third state. And they wanted to make a new constitution or a draft of a new constitution for France, which means that on that time third state people want democracy in France. But as King sees that there was a fear, King is having a fear, that is why King accepted the constitution in France, which makes constitutional monarchy in France, which means king is also there and constitution is also there, and combined together they are ruling the government or they are ruling the country, which is called as constitutional monarch. So in this particular video or in this particular topic, we are going to learn that how France becomes a constitutional monarch. A constitutional monarch. First we will see what is constitutional monarch. As I have told you, constitutional monarch means it limits the power of monarch. First, king is having all the powers to take decisions, but after the outbreak of the revolution on 5th May 1789, or when on 4th August 1789 third state people make their own constitution, make their own national assembly, King's power is wasted. King's power is getting limited. Now National Assembly is also having a power to take decision with the king. So that's how France becomes a constitutional monarch. What happens in this particular situation? Now we will see that. As National Assembly made by third state on 4th August 1789, it completed its draft of constitution in 1791. Draft means they have made certain new rules and laws in France. According to that new rule, now the power is not there in the hands of king. All the powers are completely not in the hands of king, but there is a separation of power. We have learned this separation of power in your 8th standard. Separation of power in political science. What is separation of power? It is called as federalism. Federalism means there is a division of power. That means power is not in the hand of one group or one authority. It is divided between different authorities in government. Same way in France also, constitution is drafted or constitution has made a new law which is called as separation of power, in which there are three different categories, or there are three authorities in France: legislature, executive and judiciary. In legislature we are having National Assembly, that means legislature who makes the law in a country. There are two legislatures, you can say, National Assembly and King. Both of them combined together, they are having a power to make laws and execute those laws. Now when we are talking about the National Assembly, people who are there, or representatives who are there in National Assembly, they are directly or indirectly elected by France people through elections. They have started with the system of elections, and they have started with the voting system. They give their individuals right to vote, right to select their own representative in National Assembly. So in legislature there is National Assembly, in executive there is King, and judiciary there are different judges who decides the power of legislature and executive. So when we are talking about the legislature, National Assembly, as I have told you, elections were held in France, so that representatives of National Assembly will be elected by the people themselves. And King is also having a veto power in elections. That means King can also vote in the situation when there is a draw. If there is a draw, in that particular situation, King is having a veto power. Like in today's world, we are having a veto power. President is having a veto power. If in a parliament anything happens, or anything get draw, or if decisions are not taken by both the houses, then president is having a veto power. That means president can vote in favor of any of the houses. Same voting power is given to the king, which is called as veto power. And National Assembly is consisting of different ministers who are elected through elections by French people or France people. Now, what is the voting process in France? When we are talking about the voting process, there are two kinds of citizens. According to in elections, France society has divided into two kinds of citizens: active citizens or passive citizens. Active citizens are having a right to vote, and passive citizens, they don't have right to vote. Now under active citizens, we are having all the members of National Assembly. King is having a veto power, so King is also an active citizen, and all the judges, they are also acting, or they are also called as active citizens, because they are also having a right to vote. Now we will see who are active citizens and who are passive citizens. Active citizens means men above 25 years. Anyone who wants to vote, they should be the age of 25 years. And one more condition was there to become an active citizen. The citizens who are above 25 years, they are taxpayers. That means they are paying the tax at least 3 days of their wages. At least that means whatever they are earning in 3 days, the earning should be that much that they are eligible to pay the tax. They are entitled to pay the tax. Then only they are having a right to vote. That means in France, all the men and women who are above the age of 25 years, if they are taxpayer, they are the active citizens in France, they are having a right to vote. And 28 million people are there who are active citizens in France. And remaining men and women who are above 25 years but they are not taxpayers, or maybe they are below 25 years of age, they are having no right to vote. That's why they are called as passive citizens. And there are 3 million people who are there who are passive citizens in France. They are having no right to vote. As Constitution is drafted in 1791, Constitution also make one more decision, or one more law, which is called as right for citizens, or right of the citizens. Constitution has given certain rights to its citizens, certain freedom to its citizens, so that they can enjoy constitution in France, so that king monarch powers has been wasted or limited. So with this we have completed with this particular topic. I hope you have understand. Next topic we will see, next video we will see another topic. Thank you.